Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have two reveals to do for you today. And the first one is going to be about this pair of shoes. And I'm going to just insert a little clip in here now of me opening these, how they came packaged, and things like that.
Insert here.
Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame, this is my jam, and I do have a bit of an unboxing for you today, but it is not a handbag. I was contacted by a representative of Fitville, and they put out shoes, and they asked if I wanted to try out a pair of their shoes.
What was the name of the company again?
Fitville.
Bring it on down to Fitville.
And I agreed that I would try some. I first did some looking up because I'm kind of always leery about doing collaborations. As you've seen, I think I've done one with Naomi Crafted, and that's it. And I generally turn down the rest because it ends up being fast fashion or something like that I just don't necessarily want to be in collaboration with. But they seem to have really good reviews. They sell their shoes on their website. They also sell them on Amazon, and so they're supposed to have really good shoes, help with plantar fasciitis and some other things. And I was in need, wow, words are hard, for some new walking shoes. I'm always doing the treadmill and everything, so I decided I would try out some of their shoes. So this is what came packaged nice. The other side's got my address on it, so I'm not going to show that. But it was really well packaged. I will say that the packaging does say that the shoes came from China. I do want to put that right up front. I did look to see that a lot of other brands also do have places in China that do shoes, Skechers, Adidas, things like that. So that wasn't a huge concern of mine necessarily. So I'm going to try to open this up. Just kind of show you how it comes. So it came all plastic wrapped clearly like this. And it looks like the box is a little battered, but I would say that's probably happened in transit.
While you were opening it?
No.
Oh, okay.
But it looks like it's just maybe a normal shoe box here, which is nice.
This would be a good place for the interlude.
For what?
Just a good break in the filming.
Right? Want to go get tea or coffee or... All right. Oh,
Caramels.
I'm almost there. Okay.
That's pretty arbitrary.
So, liberate your toes. Fitville. They said that these do fit true to size. I'm a size 8.
Teen.
This is in the color ruby red, and it is a US that looks like they're wide. 8 wide is what it is, or 8W. I don't typically necessarily wear wide, but that's okay. Oh, okay. So, wow, there's a lot of heft to these shoes. So here we go here. This is supposed to be specifically like a walking shoe. There's the front, the side, the bottom. Man,
they must really be heavy.
A lot of cush here. What's this say? Arium cushioning. What's the Fitville card say? Care instructions. Fitville suggests cleaning your Fitville shoes with a shoe cleaner and a soft cloth brush or surface cleaning using cold water and a mild detergent. Avoid storing your Fitville shoes in an extremely hot environment or under extreme sunlight. Do not use a washing machine or dryer to clean your Fitville shoes. Winnie, who seems to like to put everything in the washing machine.
What's it say about the dishwasher?
It doesn't.
Oh.
So, inside, looks like your typical shoe. It's got the Fitville logo in there. And then just the normal size and everything there. So now the test. Let me try putting these on here. I like shoes I can just slip on.
Interesting that it was already laced for you.
Yeah. And so I am just slipping it on, which is a good sign that I can do that.
Did you, by chance, ask for a pair for the cameraman?
No, not yet. So I'm putting this one on here. You can already tell it's quite roomy, probably because of
The wide?
the wide, unless the W is supposed to be for women.
W. Wilhelmina.
So here's the other shoe. Comes just like, these feel cushy, just sitting here. But, just taking that out of here. Same shoe, just other foot.
Wow. That was nice of them to send you one right and one
And
left.
so I just want to be, truthful and honest about everything I'm showing here. So you'll see me right from the get-go, trying them on, seeing if they fit, seeing how the size runs. I'll probably walk around on them just a little bit now, and then I will check back in with you after I have worn them for a while and put a few miles on them. So, not a huge walker, but I try to do about 1.5 miles at least 3 or 4 times a week. So I'll get some miles put on them. Right now they're definitely roomy. I can kind of feel that in there. I would say my toe though comes to about the end of the shoe. I don't know if any of your other moms out there used to do that. Feel the tip of the shoe there.
Yeah, but that's while you were standing in them.
Right, I know, but just calling out something. Wow, I feel like I'm walking on air, to be honest.
You do look like you're floating.
It's I do not, but they're super comfortable. Let's say a little stiff, not bad stiff though, like just solid.
Just
stiff.
new stiff?
Yeah, but definitely feel comfortable just walking this way. And here's how they look on. Side, back side. Ooh, and yeah. So that's my trying them on, and you will hear back from me in a few days. Okay, and now we're back. And I very, very rarely, as you know, do any sponsorships. I just feel like this channel has to be things that are just, again, my jam. I'm not going to do a sponsorship just to do one. Technically, this isn't considered sponsored. I'm not being paid at all for this. I was gifted these shoes. However, I was not required to say anything about them, and only have to give, I'm free to give my opinion. In other words, I would never do a sponsorship either where I had to do whatever somebody else told me to do or say. So I was offered this to try a pair of the shoes from this company called Fitville. And I showed you the unboxing, but here's another look at them. And I do want to show you that I absolutely have worn them, because I'm never going to just take something and just tell you that I've tried it or whatever else and not have used it. And I can tell you these are extremely comfortable shoes. One of the things I worry about with sponsorships, and again, as I've said, I very rarely, I shouldn't even call it sponsorships because it's not really sponsored. I'm not getting paid, but I get offered things now, I would say anywhere from 0 to 4 times a week. I'll get an email asking me if I want to try. It's usually bags, fake luxury bags. And I don't have
Dupes.
I don't have anything against that whatsoever. If that's what somebody else wants to do, that doesn't bother me in the least. Just not what I'm going to have on my channel. However, I do like shoes. And so they offered to send me a pair. And first I looked them up because I don't want to do anything with a company that's got bad reviews or they're not ethical, or I find out, if there's a bunch of stuff about them being made unethically and things like that. Now, these are made in China. My understanding, though, is that lots of tennies are made in China, and I couldn't find anything right up front about any abusive practices or anything that they had. So this is from a company called Fitville. They make shoes that have a wide box here. They go sizes wide 2E to 4E, which I understand is extremely wide. And they're super comfortable. I wrote down why they're comfortable here. They have what is this called here? Patented Propel Core TM EVA soles. Might have that a little wrong, but they basically have shock absorbing power. And it's just like walking on air when you have them. And I wanted to try them because I try to do the treadmill 3 times a week, do about 1.5 miles. And these are just super, super comfortable. Don't hurt my feet. The reason they have wider boxes is to promote feet health, and you're not putting as much pressure then on your toes. And that's definitely true. I was a little worried my feet were gonna slide around in them, but they don't, because I don't typically wear a wide shoe. But they're just super, super comfortable. When I was reading some of the reviews for them, people were talking about how they cured their plantar fasciitis and things like that. But they basically are made to try to just generate good foot health.
Probably distribute the weight a little bit better with the wideness, huh?
Yeah, yep. I'm trying to see if there was anything else I was gonna kind of say about it, but yeah, they're just supposed to be the cutting edge in foot health. So yeah, they let me try these, and I did, and I really like them. I'll put a link for them down below if you wanted to order any. I will also have a discount code down below, and they're currently offering 28% off the current price of the shoes.
Is that your age?
Yeah. No, so 28% discount. I'm in the process of becoming an affiliate, meaning that if you use my link and purchase shoes, that I may get a portion of it. It's not set up yet, but it might be by the time I get this all going. And just want to be upfront about that, because I'm definitely going to be honest with you. But yeah, if you were looking for a new pair of comfortable shoes, for walking shoes, I really like these. They have other ones on the site. They have men's shoes, women's shoes, and different styles of shoes. This is just what I picked. They were called the Ruby Red shoes, and I really liked them. So yeah, I think these are really great. Just really comfortable, and wanted to show them to you in case you're interested. So that's the first thing that I have to show you. And again, I'll have a link in the description box down below. And if you use my code, you'll also get 28% off your order, which my code will be down below as well. So there you have it. Now, I do have one other unboxing for you. And this is from Fashionphile. And cameraman was really surprised when I took out what it was, because first off, I got a file. I haven't gotten a file in a while. That's all right, because I have lots. But I pulled out the package, and it's right here. And
the box is ginormous compared to the package.
Yeah.
Here, turn the box a little bit.
Yeah.
This box was huge
compared to this. And here's what I got. So I think he was a little relieved when he saw this, and it wasn't like a big thing, and it wasn't a big bag. So what I have is in here, and it came with a Fashionphile dust bag. But they had this, and every once in a while, I'll look at Fashionphile, and I'll look at their last call, because then they usually have stuff that's 30% off or more. And they had this, and I saw it, and I'm like, I'm so getting this. It was meant to be. And the price was right. And when I saw it, I'm
Bob
like,
Barker.
This was absolutely 100% waiting for me. And if you take a look here, you can see it is just a Louis Vuitton luggage tag. But wait.
There's more.
It has a JJ on it. I am Jane Jean. So, JJ are my initials. And I just thought it was perfect. It was about $100. And, now I can get it and put it either on, like, my, don't even watch that. Sorry.
I think that bag
It can go on here.
passed away.
It did not. Or I can put it on, it would match perfectly with my, Hudson bag. So it'll probably go on my Hudson. But yeah, I got a luggage tag and it has something on it. I have one blank one and I don't live anywhere near where there's a Louis Vuitton. I don't get to where there's Louis Vuittons, and I don't know, maybe you can send them in and ask for hot stamping. I don't know. But now I don't have to worry about it. This is Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. And so that is my
Was that at the Olympics?
no, this is my Fashionphile unboxing for the video. So not a lot for you, but just a couple things. So if you're in the mood for shoes, take a look at the links below. Check out Fashionphile's last call if you haven't already. I like
Is it 2 a.m.?
No, stop it. So I enjoy that. I'm not sponsored by Fashionphile. And again, this whole video is not sponsored. I was not paid to say anything. I did get one pair of shoes for free. So I'm going to be totally honest with you about that. Don't know when the next time is you're going to see me doing anything as far as reviewing something that I got for free, unless I get anything else from Naomi Crafted, because I do really enjoy her items. That is the only other person that I've ever taken a gift from and showed you. So, well, taken a gift from and showed you combined. I haven't taken a gift from anybody and not showed you either. I just don't take them. So that's what I have for you today. I really appreciate you watching. Please leave a comment down in the comments box down below. I absolutely love when you leave comments. I answer all of them and love interacting with everybody there. It helps me get to know everybody just a little bit more. If you haven't found me already, you can find me over on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. You'll find me over here on YouTube on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then every other Thursday I do a book related video. So if you're not interested in that, you might want to skip the Thursdays. But otherwise, hey, if it's just fun to watch me or watch me and listen to him, come in on Thursdays as well. You'll see some new things, some colorful things. Books are really cool, and I may or may like to purchase them based on the dust jackets and how they look sometimes. I usually post over on Instagram about once a week. I do a reel showing you my bag of the week and what fits, and then periodically put up other photos as well. So I'd love to have you there too. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I recently hit 2,000 subscribers and beyond excited about that, and would love to now, let's make her 3. I know a lot of you watch and don't subscribe, so just hit the subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps me out. So so I get that in there, and let's see. I guess I will say until Saturday, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ledecky and Biles both dominating at the Olympics. USA.